Hey guys, welcome back in BIMWALA.com. I'm Parvez Khan and I'm the founder of BIMWALA.com. Okay, and this channel I discuss basically the stuff related to building information modeling. I'm a civil engineer by profession, okay, and a BIM professional. And currently I'm working in Deloitte Consulting, which is a big multinational company to work with. Okay, basically, if you do not know about Deloitte, just Google it. You will come to know how big it is. And basically, it comes among the big four companies when it comes to the auditing and accounting. Okay, it is an auditing and accounting firm. Okay, so I'm working there as a deputy manager of BIM services. Now, in this video, I would like to give you a glimpse how I landed a job in Deloitte and how basically I started preparing for the interviews and how I transitioned my career from conventional civil engineering to the towards BIM, right? So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Uh, as I can recall, it was started way back in 2019 when I came across, where the very first time when I came across about this beautiful technology or process BIM. Okay. And then I thought, okay, this could be the future of AEC. AEC means architecture, engineering, and construction. Okay. So then I started slowly to learn about BIM here and there, but not also curious, also serious about that. Then comes COVID, and you know what was the situation during the COVID. But finally, it was in 2021 when we had a small training, a brief training about building information modeling in my organization, my previous organization. That's how that was the time when I really started to learn about building information modeling. Then I looked for or searched for some of the institutions which were offering building information modeling courses or certifications. Okay, and I did a post graduation certification in BIM management. Okay, I started learning tools such as Revit, Navisworks, Bexel Manager, InfoWorks, all right, Civil 3, etc., etc. And also started learning the theoretical concepts about BIM. I mean, BIM is not all about Revit. Many of the people are confused about that Revit is BIM, but Revit is not BIM basically, right? So the theoretical concept, the practical tools. Okay, I bought a laptop, a brand new laptop to start with the journey to learn these new tools so that I can have the practical hands-on experience on that. And parallelly, what I did was, on my real projects on which I was working in my previous organizations, I started making the 3D models of them and started making storyboards or walkthroughs of them. All right. Also, I took the help of the ISO International Standard Organizations 19650, which is basically kind of Bible for building information modeling. It talks about a lot of do's and don'ts when we talk about BIM implementation. Okay, so I acquainted myself with the terminologies like EIR, PEP, okay, LOD, right? These are the terminologies which are quite common and necessary in BIM. So this is how start. I mean, I was preparing for my BIM journey, and I did appear for a lot of interviews, but not getting any chance. Okay, but that was my uh, you know learning phase. Even I wasn't completely aware about the BIM process or the technology or even the complete process. I was not fully covered my syllabus as well. And the interesting part about that phase was that is when I founded this bimwala.com. Okay, bimwala, this institute I started. Uh, uh, I mean, I had the intention that I would be discussing stuff related to the BIM, as well as I would be providing training to the needy ones. Okay, so in this institute, yeah, I provide training as well. If someone is interested, he or she can reach out to me. For that course, I just charge a nominal fee, okay, which if you compare with the other institutions is very nominal. Okay, that is because this fees can validate the serious candidates. Okay, this is not all about like I'm doing some welfare kind of thing. No, I'm a professional. I do have my own value, and I am really busy at my work. But if I'm extracting or taking out some time from my busy schedule, that means you need to pay for that. Okay, but it's a nominal fee. Believe me, you can go through the www.bimwala.com and you can check out for the courses. I have curated two courses out there. So during that journey, I have founded this platform as well, and was preparing for my interview. So finally, I was yeah. Just before that, I would like to discuss about that. I was working on my projects as well, very much engaged in my conventional civil engineering. When I say conventional civil engineering, means the construction activities, the tender engineering, the design engineering, detail engineering, and all things. Okay. Parallelly, since this was my passion, I was parallelly simultaneously working on the BIM tools and learning about BIM. Okay, so yeah, I remember finally it was in 2024 March when I got a breakthrough. Okay, and by the way, it took me around 8 to 9 months, closer to 9 months. Okay, during those 9 months, I founded that bimwala.com. I completed my certification as well. I really worked hard. I learned a lot of tools as well. Okay, during the daytime, I was performing my duties, and during the nights, I was working really hard to have some experience in BIM domain, right? Finally, in the month of March 2024, I got shortlisted. My CV got shortlisted. Even let me tell you, I made around 10 numbers of CVs which were tailored as per the job descriptions. Okay, that was really a hard work. I mean, I'm not bragging anything. This was the literal work which I did. So I was, eagerly waiting for the interviews. I got some of the calls shortlisted for the second round or maybe the first round, but not getting it. I mean, couldn't able to make it to the final round or to the, offer letter. Okay. There was at times I was in the depression as well, but I didn't lose the hope. Okay, many a times I discussed with my spouse that I'm not gonna crack any of the interviews, but believe me, she was like, "You can do it. Just try some more time." So yeah, I was trying. Okay, uh, again and again, I dropped hundreds of CVs, wrote more than maybe closer to hundreds of emails as well, cold I mean emails. And then if I'm getting any JD which was aligned to my job profile, I was reaching out to them as well on LinkedIn, Naukri.com. But anything, I mean, nothing was working out for me. But yeah, I was trying. Okay, I mean, somehow, somewhere in the mind, I was thinking that this is going to help me. Okay. Finally, I got a breakthrough. And by the way, I got multiple offers. Okay. I got one offer from Tata Consulting Engineers, which later on I declined. I got an offer from Aisha, which is a Sweden-based company, if I'm not wrong. Okay. And I got selected in L&T as well, but they put me on hold. I do not know why. Maybe because of the projects. Finally, I got an offer from Deloitte as well. So I chose Deloitte among them, okay, because that is a big brand and I really wanted to work with one of the biggest players or biggest companies in the world. Okay. Even I got one more call from another company, which I do not want to disclose here. But yes, when you really work hard for some time, I have seen an article wherein it was mentioned if you really work hard for 6 months, then you will see a different avatar of yourself after 6 months. So it took me 9 months. It can be possible in your case within 6 months as well, or maybe 12 months. So go for it and try to learn new stuff if you really want to switch or transition your career from a civil engineering background to BIM enthusiast. Okay. In the next video, I'm going to discuss about why you should learn BIM. Okay. What are the advantages and how BIM professionals are earning more than the uh, you know conventional professionals like civil engineers or the architects. Okay. So until then, bye bye. I'm Parvez Khan signing out until we meet again. Thank you.